Guys, kain tayo. Blue rice. Okay. This is sauce. Giniling na ingredients ng mga ginger, garlic, yes. And then the curry powder. Okay. And this one is chili sauce. Yes. And this one is salted eggs. Salted eggs. And this one, cabbage. And this one, grilled chicken. Yes, grilled chicken. Yes. And then this one is coconut. This coconut. Yes. Nice. This one is a star vegetable. Balagay. Sa amin, balagay. And then this one is long beans. Yung sitaw. Ito. Sitaw na fresh. Long beans. Ito wala itong mga vegetable na ito na cabbage. Mga fresh vegetable to sila, guys. Yan. Kaya yan. Tapos ayan pa. Yan ang kanin niya. Tapos ito ang fish kurupo. Yung parang siya, parang pagtawag, yung di ko alam kung ano pagtawag ito sa inyo. Basta kurupo na. Ayan, kurupo. Yan, this is from the restaurant foods. Ito. Yes. Okay. So, kain tayo, guys. Let's eat. Yummy. Okay. Grilled chicken, fresh vegetable, blue rice. Yes, this is salted eggs. Look, magkamay lang ako.